Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be doing 3 separate videos of only a couple of minutes each. I'm going to be showing you a couple of different Christmas crackers from Next. Now Next have released 8 of them. Skincare, hair care, makeup, men's grooming, body care. I'm not sure if there's a perfume one actually. I'm not sure. Actually, if there would have been, I would have got it. So I don't think there is. But I did this last year and I think they're great little gifts to give to someone as a Secret Santa or as a little present for yourself. It's completely up to you. If you're interested in this one for yourself, which is the Season to Sparkle cracker, it costs £22 and has a value of £62. And you're interested in seeing any of the others, then you'll find details down below in my description. So you're welcome to take a look down there. So yeah, look, it's really cute. So this is a makeup one. I've just unboxed a glowy skincare one, which is really nice. In all the crackers, there'll be about 4 to 5 products. In this one, there's 4, and it looks like 3 of them are full size. So starting off, I'm quite excited about this one actually. This is a nail polish. This is by Nails Inc. London. It's a 45-second speedy gloss, and it's in shade Find Me in Fulham. I don't know why, but I don't have one this colour. I don't have a white. And I have my nails done in a salon, but you've probably heard me mention many times that I do paint my own toenails, so I do keep nice polishes that I like. So yeah, definitely keeping that one. Then we've got a really great mascara. This is Iconic London, and this is Triple Threat Mascara. It's in shade Black. It's really, really good. I've got short, straight, not very good lashes at all. Look at this wand. You think, how the heck can that work? But it just does. It lifts, lengthens. It's got a really great pigment as well. Yeah, it's a really good mascara. But it doesn't look like it would be then. Then we got Delilah. This is an In Bloom Radiant Liquid Blush in shade Peony. That is really pretty. I love that, like a rosy colour. A rosy pink. Yeah, that is definitely a colour I'd wear. And it feels nice as well on the skin. Yeah, I like that. Liquid blush there from Delilah. And then lastly, we've got Nude Sticks. This is a Nudies Glow, an all over face highlighter colour. It's a multi-purpose stick. Right. So you can use it on your eyes, lips if you wanted to. Like as a lip topper maybe, and as a highlighter. There, hopefully you can see. So those are all the products in the Season to Sparkle cracker from Next. It costs £22, contains 3 full sizes, and it has a value of £62. There you go. I'd love to hear what you think. Please let me know, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.